Opening or upgrading a nursery isn't just about creating a nice space, it's about building an environment that parents trust and children thrive in. And in today's market, that's what truly matters. At Moon Kids, we work with you from day one. We walk the space, we speak to your team, the educators who understand how children actually use it, because they know what works and what doesn't. Then we design around that. Age appropriate, functional, built for real daily use. Spaces that support learning behavior and development. For new nurseries, we help you get it right from the start. Smart layout, efficient use of space, a strong identity that attracts parents. For existing nurseries, we take a smarter approach. We keep what works, improve what doesn't, and upgrade where it matters most. Because small changes done right create real impact. Everything is manufactured in our 30,000 square foot facility in Abu Dhabi. So it's fully customized, made to fit, and built to last. And anything we don't produce, we source and integrate seamlessly. From concept to design to approvals, production, and full installation, one team handles it all. No gaps, no confusion, and we stay with you after handover, supporting, upgrading, and evolving your space as your nursery grows. Because this isn't just design, it's about building a nursery that works for your children, your staff, your business. Moon Kids, your partner in creating spaces that perform.